So here in the sales document view, generally you cannot change your order type. So your order type, you define it into the previous screen, right? When you come into this screen, you cannot change your order type. Here it gives you an option that you are having here, ZSD1, which you are creating right now. Or if you want to change to the alternative sales document here, or if you want to change to the standard order OR, you would be able to select from here. Okay, so this functionality would be used sometime. What happens, your sales rep got a call or started punching the orders, but when he started punching the orders, then later on when he's putting a material, he understood this should be the different document type. This should not be the ZSD1. This should be the OR1, right? Then he understand, okay, oh, it's the customer is asking export, it's outside customer, I need to use another document type. So SAP has given a functionality that while doing a punching of an order, if sales rep understand that this should be another order, he should be able to switch from here. Otherwise, he need to cancel the full screen. Sometimes they have put it 6-7 materials, a lot of data, and then you need to go back and again /n VA01, again select the correct document type and come back. That's again a lot of efforts, right? So to remove those kind of efforts, this option has been given. Once you save it, you cannot change it. But while punching the sales order, if you want to play around with the document type, if sales rep understand while punching order ki bhaiya, this one is not the correct sales order, this is actually the export one, I need to shift to the export one. So you would be able to shift your order types while punching the order. Okay, that is the functionality which has been given. Again, a very useful functionality if you go into the shoes of a user. If you make yourself put it into the shoes of an end user who is punching the orders and creating a sales orders, these kind of things are required for them. Okay, otherwise sometimes it would be very painful to collect the data and enter the sales order itself. So this is how the alternate document type can work during your sales order creation.